Good morning. Today we are in Vasto, a coastal town on the Adriatic Sea in Abruzzo region, southern Italy. The town sits on a promontory about 138 meters above sea level. Its population is about 40,000 inhabitants. The house we wish to propose you today is situated in the historic center of Vasto, in one of the most characteristic and authentic neighborhoods of the town. Near the house there are small churches, period buildings with internal patios and very quiet atmosphere because the cars are not allowed in this part of the town. Despite this, the lively piazza with its cafes, bars, wine bars, restaurants and shops, it's at just 3 minutes walk. The beach is 2 kilometers away and the natural reserve of Punta d'Erci is only 8 kilometers far. The house stands on 2 floors. This is the main entrance. It opens directly to the large sitting room with original vaults dated back to the 1300s. On the ground floor, we also find a large room with the same vaults. It can be used as a living room or a bedroom. It avails of double exposure. There is also a small toilet to complete the floor. This beautiful staircase takes us to the first floor. Where we find the open space living room and the kitchen with high barrel ceilings, exposed bricks. kitchen avails of this built-in furniture. The balcony overlooking the street in the center. This window provides plenty of natural light. Here we find 2 bedrooms, a master bedroom with a balcony. And the second bedroom. And the built-in wardrobe. The bathroom. The shower facilities. House avails of the central heating system and air conditioning system. It's in perfect condition. It was recently restored and is sold furnished